Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the oxy acids of the phosphorus. That is the part 8 in 5th A group elements. That is the chapter name. Here is the oxy acids of the phosphorus. What is the meaning of the oxy acids? Any type of oxides, for example phosphorus or nitrogen, reacting or combining with the any oxygen to form of a oxides. Those oxides are dissolved or ionizable in water molecule to form of a oxy acids. That is also known as a oxy acid. So here is the in 5th A group elements, nitrogen, phosphorus is the major elements. That is the remaining of the arsenic, antimony and bismuth. So here is the phosphorus forming with the oxy acids. Why is the forming of the phosphorus forming of the oxy acid? Why? Because of here is the phosphorus exists the or consists the vacant d orbital. So it form with the oxy acids. Those oxy acids are the two types. So here is the phosphorus is forming with the two type of the oxy acids. Those are first one us acid series. It is also called as phosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid series, that is also known as a us acid series. And the second one is the phosphoric acid series. It is also write that IC-EC acid series. Those are the two type of the oxy acids. In 5th A group elements, nitrogen forming with the two type of oxy acids. Those are first one us acid series or phosphorus acid series, and second one is the phosphoric acid series or ic acid series. That is the two form of the oxy acids. Here is the first one us acid series. Us acid series. Phosphorus is forming with the two type of the oxy acids. Because of here is the any phosphorus oxides, phosphorus trioxide or phosphorus pentoxide. Here is the phosphorus combining with the oxygen to form of a two type of oxides. First one is the phosphorus trioxide P4O6 and second one is the P4O10. That is also known as a phosphorus pentoxide. That is the two type of oxide. That is the phosphorus oxides. Phosphorus oxide soluble or dissolved in water molecule to form of a phosphorus oxy acid. That is the us acid series or ic acid series. Here is the first one is the us acids. It is also write that phosphorus acid series. Here is the us acids are the four types. That is the first one hypophosphorus acid. Here is the us acids. Us acids means that here is those us acids exist the lower oxidation state. Those phosphorus acids consist the lower oxidation number. So it is also called as a us acid series. In phosphorus us acid series exist the lower oxidation number of the central metal of the phosphorus atom. So it is also called as a us acid series. Those us acid series are first one hypophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid, a general formula H3PO2. H3PO2 it is also called as a hypophosphorus acid. And the second one is the orthophosphorus acid. Orthophosphorus acid general formula H3PO3. Those us acids are exist the lower oxidation number. That is the structure of the different us acid series. Says that are next third one metaphosphorus acid HPO2. Next fourth one is the pyrophosphorus acid general formula H4P2O5. Those four types also called as a us acid series. Because of those us acids existed lower oxidation number, so it is also called as a phosphorus acid series or us acid series. phosphorus acids consist the lower oxidation number, so it is also called as a acid series. Here is the first one, acid. In phosphorus is the central atom. Is central atoms exist the lower oxidation number. Low oxidation number, that is the +3 oxidation number. It is exist the reducing property because of all acids central metal atom of phosphorus bonding with the H, that is also type of P bond H. It is called reducing nature. P bond H, it is also type of called reducing nature. All phosphorus acid series bonding with the at least one P bond H, it exists the reducing nature. So that is also lower oxidation number of the central atom, that is also called as a acid. Next, another one, in acids consist the phosphorus central metal atom 4 coordinated, that is the double bond O, remaining bond single, 3 single bond, that is also called as a 4 coordinated tetrahedral surrounding. Here is the phosphorus central atom. Phosphorus central atom, at least 4 coordinated tetrahedral surrounding, that is the acid nature. Next, another one, in acids at least one P double bond O. P double bond O. In acids, all type of acids consist the at least one P double bond O. Next, another one, remaining P bond H. Here is the P bond H consist the reducing nature. Next, remaining P bond OH, that is also known as a OH group. In OH group exists the hydrogen atom is ionizable and it consists the acidic nature. That is the P bond H and P bond OH, that is the acids natures. Here is the first one, hypophosphorus acid. Here is the indicate the acid, only it says that acid. Here is the first one, hypophosphorus acid. Here is the acids exist the lower oxidation number +3. So here is the first one, hypophosphorus acid, general formula H3PO2. It is prepared from the laboratory method. Here is the white phosphorus dissolved in barium hydroxide solution. BaOH2 taken to, it is also known as a barium hydroxide solution. White phosphorus dissolved or heated with the barium hydroxide solution, then form of the barium hypophosphides. Then barium hypophosphides heating with high temperature, then form of hypophosphorus acid, that is also write that H3PO2. Next, another one, structure of hypophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus atom, here is the one phosphorus atom is the central atom. This central atom bonding with the double bond O, at least one P double bond O, that is also nature of the acids. Next, another one, 3 hydrogen atom, 1, 2, 3, 3 hydrogen atom. Next, another one, oxygen 2 atom, 1 and 2. Here is the OH also known as a base. Here is also called as a basicity. How many basicity in the structure of the hypophosphorus acid? Only 1. That is also known as a basicity is equal to 1. In hypophosphorus acid, phosphorus is the central atom. The central atom exists the oxidation number 1. Here is the oxygen -2, another oxygen -2, -2, -2, -4. Hydrogen +1, hydrogen +1, +2. Here is the oxidation number. Here is the 1, 1, 1, +3, +1, +1, +1, +3, -4. Here is the -1, -1 turn to +1 oxidation state. So here is the phosphorus central atom exists the +1 oxidation state. In phosphorus central atom undergo sp3 hybridization. to form of a 4sp3 hybrid orbital and have tetrahedral structure. That is the structure of hypophosphorus acid is the tetrahedral nature. That is the hypophosphorus acid. Next, second one is the orthophosphorus acid. Orthophosphorus acid general formula H3PO3. Next, second one, orthophosphorus acid. Orthophosphorus acid general formula H3PO3. It is prepared from the laboratory method. That is the phosphorus trioxide. That is right, that P4O6. Here is the phosphorus trioxide. Phosphorus existed 4 atoms. It exists to tetraatomic nature. That is also right, that P4O6. It is also called as a phosphorus trioxide or dissolved or soluble in water molecule to form of a orthophosphorus acid. That is the formula of H3PO3. In H3PO3, central atom, phosphorus atom, oxidation number +3. That here is the oxygen numbers. Here is the oxygen 1, 2, 3. Each oxygen consists of the -2 oxidation state. 3 into -2 -6. Hydrogen atom exists the +1 oxidation number. 3 hydrogen atoms 1, 2, 3. 3 into +1 +3. -6 +3 -3 -3 turn to +3 oxidation state. That is the central metal atom. Oxidation number consists the +3 oxidation state. In phosphorus, central atom undergo sp3 hybridization to form of a 4sp3 hybrid orbital. It exists the tetrahedral nature. That is the tetrahedral 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahedral structure of the orthophosphorus acid. And basicity, OH groups also known as a bases. Here is the 1, 2. It is also right that basicity is how many is the basicity? 2 basicity. Next one, bonding nature or bonding character. Here is the P bond OH. P bond OH is the how many? 1 and 2. P bond OH is the 2 and P bond H is the only 1. Next, P double bond O is the only 1. That is the characters of the bonds. That is the orthophosphorus acid. Third one is the metaphosphorus acid. Meta means that the only one single hydrogens and phosphorus. Here is the P bond OH and double bond O. That is also structure of the phosphorus, metaphosphorus acid. In the metaphosphorus acid, phosphorus central atom consists the oxidation number +3. Here is the oxygens -2 -4. Next one, oxygen hydrogens +1. Here is the +1 -4 -3 turn to +3 oxidation number. Next, here is the central atom undergo sp2 hybridization to form of a 3sp2 hybrid orbital and existed a angular structure. That is also known as a angular structure of the metaphosphorus acid. Next, another one, here is the bonding characters. Here is the P bond OH. P bond OH is the only 1. P double bond O is the 1. That is the bonding characters. Next, basicity OH also existed only 1. That is the metaphosphorus acid. And the fourth one is the pyrophosphorus acid. Pyro means that the P bond oxygen bond P. It is also known as a pyro. P bond oxygen bond P. That is also called pyro. Pyrophosphorus acid general formula H4P2O5. That is the structure of H4P2O5. Here is the 2 phosphorus atom. Here is the 4 hydrogen atom 1, 2, 3, 4. Oxygens 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the pyrophosphorus acid structure. Here is the phosphorus central metal oxidation number +3. Here is the each oxygens -2. 5 into -2 -10. Next one, hydrogens 1, 2, 3, 4. One hydrogen atom consists of the +1 -4. -10 +4 -6. 2 phosphorus atom 2x. Here is the X is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Here is the oxidation number plus 3. The tetrahedrous nature, here is the one tetrahedral structure. The central metal undergo sp3 hybridization to form of a 4sp3 hybrid orbital of the pyrophosphorus acid. That is the acid series of the phosphorus acid series. All acid series consist the at least one P double bond O. Next another one, each phosphorus atom coordinated with the four coordinated double bond O and 1 2 3. Next one, at least one P double bond O and P bond H and P double bond OH. P bond OH indicate the reducing nature and P bond OH indicate the acidity. That is the properties of the acid series.